Understanding call for help in English. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, call for help. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English, this video will provide you with a clear understanding of this common English expression. The phrase, call for help, is used when someone is in a situation that they cannot handle alone and they need someone else to assist them. It can be used in both literal and figurative contexts. For example, if someone is physically unable to move due to an injury, they would call for help to receive medical attention. In a figurative sense, if someone is struggling with a difficult task at work, they might call for help from a coworker. In everyday language, call for help can take various forms. It could be as direct as shouting out loud in an emergency or as subtle as sending a text message to a friend when you need advice. It's important to recognize the different ways we can ask for assistance and understand when and how to use them appropriately. Let's see how call for help can be used in different sentences. After slipping on the ice, I had to call for help. When the project became too complex, the manager decided to call for help from the senior staff. If you ever feel overwhelmed, don't hesitate to call for help. There are several variations of the phrase that carry similar meanings, such as ask for assistance, seek help, or request aid. These can be used interchangeably depending on the context and formality required. We hope this video has helped clarify the phrase, call for help, for you. Remember, it's a useful expression that can be applied in many different scenarios. Never be afraid to use it when you need it. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you continue your English learning journey.